Introducing the Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat Heavy Duty, a versatile 2-in-1 tool designed for gardeners' comfort. With a sturdy steel frame supporting up to 330 pounds, it's built to withstand any weather. The upgraded EVA foam kneeling pad provides ultimate joint comfort during long gardening sessions. Equipped with 2 detachable tool pouches, this kneeler keeps essential gardening tools organized and accessible. Beyond gardening, it's perfect for camping, DIY projects, and more. Ideal for birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or Christmas, this folding garden bench makes a thoughtful gift for outdoor enthusiasts. Rest assured, all materials have passed the CA65 safety test, ensuring worry-free use. Elevate your gardening experience with the Ohuhu Garden Kneeler and Seat Heavy Duty. Order yours now.